You know what, bro? Look, this is something.
That was what I was talking about. Because we cannot just be working outside. Yeah?
Yeah.
Investment.
Exactly.
I was thinking, at least to get a every month to save at least $1,000. Then $1,000.
Bro, I'm already saving $1,000 every month.
It's like a bullshit.
But you know, let's invest.
But maybe 800. But 1.8 every month. I
invested.
Hello, what do you say?
Hello, ladies. Oh, hello. Hi. How are you? I'm okay.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, hi.
Oh, fine. So you guys,
we don't know we are around. What's your name?
Clara.
Oh, Clara and Coco.
But
Hello, Clara. You're beautiful. Hello.
So many planets.
I plan at Tina should do so. You can just
join us.
That's not scanner. You not scanner.
Mira man.
I'm scanner. But hapana kwa sababu ndokuzara zvimwe zvinhu zvausingazivisise kana chiko.
Okay, no. My friend I don't manyira kumba but ini zvangu I'm around.
I'm not into.
So plan direction.
Scala. If mama asks me something, I'm not involved. Mom so can put anything, I'm not involved. I have a girlfriend.
Oh, there's a lawyer.
If mom asks, I'm not involved.
Little brother.
Exactly, you understand. Exactly. So
don't worry.
Alright, so guys.
Let's go.
So my name is Prometheus, by the way. Yeah, I work I'm an accountant.
Okay.
You know, in the UK. I work in Europe.
Okay, we use this road.
Yeah, let's go straight. So are you hungry?
Yeah, I know.
Hello, morning.
Morning, how are you?
Morning. Hi, son. Wakati unanzani wewe baba, shwari. Baby. Na baby. Chubura muno mungwe, loji bana bano tema tengwe.
Shit, pa reception ends na 8.
Okay. Murwana ari boy. And dunye pere. Ene nini ga ni mari dzandinadzo ku family kwangu. I just want to do something for you. In fact, mira ndingokuitira magic. But ngopedza ndarota nasi hora. Ndarota mumweni wanga ndiri kuchirwa tungoma. Parango mumwe yanga ichipururudza.
Ngoma yemari.
Abarika biti kacho. Indiri munhu andiri DJ kani. Nandakudza.
Sama fans.
Ndangokuti aiwa iitira ndatorota iroro. Ndifunga ipapa ndakapitira song ya Enzo. Ndoita hit.
Plus yo utone ropa remari.
So moto yangu inoida. Sure. Anoza garage rangu riri pamusoro. Mira ndikupewa one moto. Ndova ndatokupa nemabhuku acho anti.
Kwanini?
Do something for you, don't worry. Hello? Mwanya nemabhuku emota. No, benze yangu Oh, sorry, say Buddha. Yeah, onevalogy.
Aswera chiri zangu mana.
Bhuku rakutoya panobuda panongo namusendera location. Azvotika muri bo kupfuura namama wangu. Iwe watunzani? Clara. It's a beautiful name, just like you, girl. Coco. Embrace Coco. Don't worry. Une passport Coco? Doctorisa dodzoka nawo kuEurope. Dotoenda nawo Europe. Clara.
Ndisho kuda kufunga kutora but ndisanda nayo.
My problem you guys, because you know what? In this country, and you need to have a passport, have a driver's license, and exactly, so that my opportunities are like Jesus, and I can just go back tomorrow, you know, and find you a job, you know, or get a life like a naka. In Europe, it's easy. You understand? So the upper door, I will just man to transfer. You know, said Gwandiru donate under accountant.
Okay.
So man to transfer my reading bank manku. I don't want to check. I don't want to marry.
I don't want to marry.
I don't want 80,000 euro. One plus 100,000 euro. You want 180,000 and I can save in 4 years. Understand? One. Check.
Okay.
I don't want to. You don't bank
around.
So let me. You don't want to send 100,000 right now. You want to send 80,000.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's fair, right?
Yeah.
Then another 20,000 in India, yeah, you can share.
Okay.
And
no problem.
then you can go to Europe. They shanda.
Okay.
On the bank account, right?
Yeah.
On the bank number.
Okay, 63. Okay, it's on the type it.
You know, guys, you are. Not cheap and language. This trending phrase, which is top soup. Top soup, yeah. Top soup. I want top soup. It's a big account. Over transfer 100. Password yangu in email yangu and it in 1949 and it then password yangu and it your bank rangu in 1914 correct first world war. I will never forget that year.
Okay.
Yeah. I like history. Understand? Yeah. Been check my phone going, guys.
Yeah. Check.
But I'm a big fan of music. So during my spare time, I'm a DJ. Not just a disc jockey. No, I'm a producer. I like to make music, to make sound. Ndinazindalota hit song.
Nditi ndakudza mari.
Kwangu nichiridzo tungoma. Tungoma.
Ngoma imari.
Andi ndambo You know what? But what's weird about it is, you know what? This familiar female sound. Okay. You understand? And I knew it's an angel.
Yeah.
It's an angel. I'm gonna see you and I think they need $1.
Take care of that. It's fine.
Oh.
Yeah.
Of what? No, I can.
No, we'll pay. Don't worry. So, next time.
So, you guys, you gave me alright. Take my number. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I want to bath, you know. See ya. Clara. Zimbabwe kunowasikana cheaper, man. Free sex.
Even me, I just come get this. Camila, faster, Sha. Yeah.
No, I'm going to go, man. Man, no. Hey, my baby. My scan name. No. No, siang.